Hey guys, and welcome to Adventure Prone 4x4. On today's episode, we are going to be installing a PSR idler arm brace on the nav. So I've gone ahead, I've gotten things jacked up a little bit, and I've taken my bash plate off, which is something that you all need to do before you do this. You probably don't need to, honestly, but just to make it a little bit easier. Now, I have also got a little bit of work to do. I've got to do the drag link as well, and I've actually got an RTC, a return to center / steering damper to put in. All of which it's just going to be easier. Well, for the steering damper, I'll have to have it off, but it's just going to make it a little more comfortable and a little quicker for me to go through and do that. So I've gone ahead and taken my bash plate off. Depending on your bash plate, that may require a different process, so I'll let you guys figure that bit out. But for the meantime, let's jump in and I'm going to show you guys what the idler arm is, where it is, and how you can benefit from having an idler arm brace. An idler arm brace they're relatively inexpensive. I think I picked mine up for about $60, $60, $70. Mine is from PSR. You can get them in, I think, Road Safe, Superior Engineering. There's quite a few brands that do them, but I have got the PSR, and I'm going to show you guys how to put one on. So an idler arm is this piece here on the D22 Navara, which connects up to the drag link, which connects up to your tie rods. So what we're going to do is put an idler arm brace on, which actually gives it reinforces, it's got a wall back here, and it reinforces the top section here and gives you a double shear point for all the pressure that's on there when you drive. So I'll jump over and I'll grab the piece now and I'll show you guys how it's going to mount. So this is the brace here. Now you can see it's got one hole in the bottom. It's also got two holes here and one hole here. Now those are obviously going to line up with the two bolts here, one bolt there, and that bottom hole is actually I'm actually going to put that through there. So, and that's what's going to take the pressure off, or the tension off of this lower section here by bracing it down here. So let's go ahead and I'm going to start to get everything unbolted. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've actually removed the idler arm off. So that's just a case of using two knots. Now you'll need one on the other end as well, just to keep it tight. But those are 19s, and I think that last one is a 17, I do believe. The one on the bottom is the 17. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the brace. I'm going to actually fit the brace, kind of. I'm going to fit the brace, and I'm going to tighten this lower one to hold everything in place. Then I'm simply just going to press everything back in and tighten everything up, and that should be it, hopefully. Let's have a look and see if it does go in that easy. Now, just to give you guys a look at the brace again, that is the brace there. So you've got PSR engraved on the side there, and that's it. Okay, and so that's actually everything done. So as you can see there, everything's gone in really well. A little bit of just jiggling around, as you guys saw. It didn't take too long at all, and it's gone straight back in. So make sure that you tighten everything back up really nice and tight as well. I'm not sure what the torque specs on this were, but I'll Google that and find out. And I'll leave that in the description below if I can find it. If not, we'll just see how we go. But otherwise, that's it. That's everything done. That point down there, that just gives it that added strength when the arm's moving around. And like I said, that's what gives it that double shear point. And just gives it a little bit more strength and durability when you're off-roading and giving it a boot fall. And so guys, that's literally it. All you need to do is just go back through and just bolt those back up. Otherwise, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Facebook, Instagram, I'll put my Snapchat in there, and YouTube. Don't forget YouTube, subscribe, hit the little bell button so you get a notification every time I post a video. You don't want to miss it. Next up, I've got a drag link, and I've got a return to center / steering damper from Tough Dog, and I think I've got a new tow bar coming as well, or a second-hand tow bar, a donated tow bar from Mort. Thanks, Mort. But you guys don't want to miss that. Also, I've got footage from Morton Island that I'm putting together, so you don't want to miss that either. But that's a really big one, so I don't know when I'll get around to that. But stay tuned, it'll be there somewhere. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.